Yes, back at it
I don't even
again.
know
Where to start. Today should be really doing 2 videos, not 1. We're gonna put 2 videos on 1. I want to talk about the show tomorrow. It's tomorrow. I hope to see many of you tomorrow. All right. Don't forget, I'm gonna try my first ever live stream. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna stop it and just record. All right. I do not want it to be laggy. If it's laggy, I'm gonna be upset. All right, because this is gonna be the first time ever that it's unveiled. And we're gonna unveil this Primal monster truck, bro. You know, and we got some goodies here. That's serious changer, RC world changer right here. No more headaches, no more waiting for stuff. We got it. The many requests. We got it, man. They're coming. It's for sure. You cannot get them now. You're gonna have to wait 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months from now, you can get your King Motor 2-speed transmissions with many types of gear ratios, many gears, hardened steel, all right, heavy duty hardened gears. And then you can do whatever you want with them. You can modify them. You can do whatever you want with them. But what we got here is the first ever. There's supposed to be like 3 gear ratios here. 3 next size gear ratios here. That's never been out before. Hardened steel here. There's going to be many more gear ratios besides this. This is just the first 3 batch. All right. And I want to unbox this now because these gears are the Primal RC gears. The Primal RC gears. That's going to work with the King Motor 2-speed. All right. Many of you guys know the King Motor 2-speed has not failed. It's been working and holding up at the track. So we lucked out. We got a decent 2-speed setup. All we need now is gears, and guess what? We got them, kid. They're coming. They're coming. Super big news. This should be a video on its own. But we're going to talk about everything. Also, I'm the first to wear my homie right here, my brat brother, future Nitro brother. Check it out. Foundry RC t-shirt, kid. Any questions? I gotta do it. He's like, oh, don't show it. No, I'm gonna show it. You know what I'm saying? So this is support right here. This is our Gary's family with us, correct? Yes or no? You know what I'm saying? So we're chilling. We're having a decent time. We're planning about how we're gonna go tomorrow and all that. You know, obviously before we leave, we must eat. All right. I don't know. You guys tell me. Should I film my whole day? Probably not, right? That'll be like 3 parts videos. You know, I'm tired of that shit. But I'm probably just gonna film there, and that's it. And then hopefully we have a little bit of time to walk around there. I want to walk around. I want to meet up with some people. There's some Canadians that are gonna be there, friends of ours that sell that pump, that make that fuel pump, and also Vamp Power batteries, E-words, my life batteries. I got to talk to him. What else? Bunch of stuff. Obviously, I'm gonna hang out by King Motors, by Rovan RC, and Primal. I'll be at Primal, son. But I also have 2 friends that are gonna have booths there. All right, Brooklyn Large Scales is gonna be there with their own booth this year, which I can't wait to go there and check them out. And also my boy Arnold. I don't know what he's under there, but my good friend Arnold, he also has a booth there as well. We may go take a visit to him, obviously, as well. And I think he has something going on there with Walbro. I hope that they talk about this new honeycomb-shaped Walbro thing, diaphragm that I've been trying to get a hold of. Yeah, let me show you real quick. That Walbro diaphragm thing is supposed to help out with ethanol problems. You know, if you want to run straight up ethanol, you can run it with that style of diaphragm. Even if you don't run ethanol, like I don't see myself running ethanol, maybe if I have something, instead of running 110 octane crazy fuel, I can run straight up E85, you know, but I probably don't think I'm going to be doing that. I'd rather just do Cam 2 and set up my engines for Cam 2. That way everything is on 100 octane Cam 2. I'm good with that. But even if you're not worried about ethanol problems, supposedly that diaphragm, all right, will help any carburetor out. Better acceleration and stuff like that. Now, Bulgaria sent me a link to this. Bulgaria, you know who you are. You sent me the link a long time ago for this. And not too long ago, my friend Arnold was here. We had a little Mavam together. And he brought that up. And I'm like, oh, shit. You know, so it's pretty cool. So I hope they talk about that tomorrow. I hope to see them over there. And what else? What else? Should we just unbox this here or? Oh, okay. So let's talk about the monster truck real quick. This Primal RC monster truck, you're going to have to, if you want to save money, if you want to save $200, you have to pre-order it. All right? If you pre-order it like we are, it'll be $26.99. All right? It's a beast. When you see this thing, you're going to be like, damn, this RC is a work of art. It's really like a $3,500 RC. I'm not shitting you. All right? Dan spent a lot of money on that. Not only that, last minute upgrades. It was my fault. The price went up a bit because of my fault. I had requested, listen, you got to come out with a body with a roll cage. All right? We want a roll cage. Don't do like the Losi MTXL. Only one body. All right? Then the roll cage is that little thing around the engine. All right? You know what I'm talking about, guys, right? This is a MTXL. See the roll cage? That's only around the engine. We don't want a body like that. And that's what it was going to have, one full complete body on this. Now that's an 80-pound truck. If that 80-pound truck flips over, you're crushing that shit. You're going to be buying bodies left and right. So now, Dan is freaking awesome. He's a cool guy, bro. He's the only one that understands, and he's a true RCer. And he does what people request, man. He does it. Now, Dan wound up, he spent a good amount of money, I'm not going to say, many thousands, all right? And I feel so bad. But whoever buys this truck is going to be so much better off. It's going to have a roll cage similar to something like that we're all familiar with the 5Ts, the X2s, the Rovan LTs. And if you break the hood or whatever, you can replace the front end. If you break the bed, you can replace the bed. The body is two parts. It's not like an MTXL or the Red Cat with the one-piece shell, all right? So that should be very cool. And what else? And that's it. So there's going to be one batch. There's going to be 2 batches made this year. You have to pre-order for the first batch to get that $200 off. All right, I don't know how long it's going to run till. It may run till August or July. You know, I forget. It may run till August or July. So, but if he gets sold out on the first batch on the pre-order, I don't know how the second batch is going to be. The price may be different. So I'm just saying, the first thing I'm going to do tomorrow is pre-order. That's me. You know what I'm saying? That's us. We are $200. Plus, I'm not going to pay. If you cannot pick it up, if you're not able to pick it up, you can get it delivered to your house for an extra $100. But I'm going to go pick it up. So right there, right off the bat, I'm saving $300. You know what I'm saying? So I want this thing bad. I'm going to try to save as much as I can. And that's it. But because, you know, I'm going to definitely have some fun with that. Can't wait. I can't wait for that thing, man. But anyways, listen, we got to show this. This is super important. Like I said, I'm sorry this should be a video on its own. This is super big news. All right, so. Oh, snap. Let's see what we got here. Hold on. This is super great news, bro. I'm excited right now, bro. I'm pumped right now. Hold up. You don't understand, people. I've been trying to get a hold of this. Bro, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. We ordered 5 transmissions. I'm not going to say the name. You guys know who I'm talking about. 5 transmissions. I'm not kidding you. Gary and I. Sean. Compson. Who else? There's 5 of us. Nope. How long ago? I have been saying 8 months. Fucking 8 months, bro.
When we were still racing last season.
Okay.
That's when we ordered it.
Correct. All right, so the beginning, the start. That's right, when I built that. Bro, when I built my damn Baja drag race car over there, not even, when I built that, that's when we ordered it. Yep. A bunch of us. We have not gotten nothing, bro. I got my money back.
Yep.
That's money that could have been there by times 5. Guess what? We've been asking. No more questions, bro. Now let's take a look at these new Primal gears. All right. This is supposed to be here. Only 3 upgrades. That's never been out before. But there will be many gear ratios, even taller than these, coming soon. Wow. Wow. Here we go, people. I'm not joking. This 2-speed has been very good with us. And you get the whole kit. All right? You can even get upgraded lathe shafts, all that, but this has been working out very well from all the tests that they've been doing. All right, so Dan will tell you, if you're at Primal's booth tomorrow, ask about these gears, okay? He will tell you everything that was changed, upgraded, to accept these hardened steel gears, man. Look at this, man. Look at these gears, bro. Look at these gears. This is what I wish I had last year. My Gizmo 30.5 would have been so happy with just one of these. It don't have the balls to push the rest of these two, but it definitely could have used one of these. All right. Very cool. Look at this, man. Look at all these gears. Look at this, people. I'm gonna keep it in the bag. Hardened steel, hardened gears, baby. All right. Same one-way bearings as everyone else's. So very easy to replace and change. It'll always be out there. Look at this. All right. So closer look. A lot of you guys that use 2-speeds know what the hardened steel looks like. Very nice, man. Look at that heavy duty gear right there, baby. Look at that. All right, here's a closer look, guys. Look at the quality of these Primal gears. Primal RC gears, bro. Look at this hardened steel, bro. Look at
Waiting
that.
so long for a 2-speed, man.
God.
So
I wish this was available for everyone tomorrow. But it's not. Do not bother them tomorrow, guys. Do not bother them. Do not email the shit out of them. Tomorrow's a very busy day for these people here. Primal RC. Come check them out. Come check
Take a look at
them out. Come over. Ask questions about this 2-speed tomorrow at the booth, or Saturday or Sunday. But look at this, man. I'm just freaking excited. I can't believe it. I can't believe it truly happened. It's happened, people. This is going to be a game changer for sure, bro. All right? No more waiting. No more BS.
I could drink to this.
I'm going to drink to this, bro. There we go. Zap. Yeah, let's drink to this, man. We're going to drink to this today, brothers. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Unbelievable, man. We finally have people in the RC world that listens to us, man. That listens to what the people want. You know what I wish, bro? That Dan did Nitro. Because Dan, from Primal RC, from King Motor RC, from Rovin RC, Dan would be the man, first person ever, to come out with a race-inspired Nitro 32. I've been on the phone with Nova Rossi. I've been emailing. I'm going to just leave it at that. I have a whole nother video I got to bring up. All right? I was told not to do anything or say anything about Nova Rossi Direct, but I will.
All right.
So
back to the Ram show.
I got to go back to the Ram show, all right? Stay tuned, bro. We got lots going on. I told you I was busy all winter. I was working on big things. But anyways, back to the Ram show, guys. I hope to see you there. These gears that were right here in my hand will be there at the show, all right? Because Dan needs them there to show them. These are the only ones around, all right? So this drag racing thing is definitely gonna pick up now. Because we have an option now where we can get 2-speed transmissions and all types of gear ratios. All right, guys. So we're gonna call it quits. I got put everything back, just go over this real close. I am super excited about these 2-speed transmissions and gears that we have now. You know, I'm just, it's like, it's unbelievable. It's I can't believe it. You understand? It's that exciting for me. You know, it's something we've been asking for. It's almost like a lot of you nitro guys are waiting for a sick ass engine to come out, and I've been asking for it. A lot of us been asking for it, and if one day, if that engine that we so long needed all these years, when that engine comes out, you're gonna know exactly what I feel about, how I feel about these gears for these 2-speeds. All right, it's like that almost, you know. So anyway, hope to see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna do the first ever live stream. If it don't work out, I'm gonna record it. All right, I'll see you guys.